Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a trip with me to do some commercial cleaning. This is a concession stand, and I'm also going to show you some things that we did over the weekend. If you are new here, welcome, welcome. I am Kim, KYM. I do videos pertaining to home life. So that's cooking, cleaning, organizing, kinda, because I like organized chaos. I mean, everything behind a closed door in my house, it's chaos, okay? But that's besides the point. Home life. We do repairs on this channel. We do hauls, we fix things, all kinds of great stuff. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, please, please, please hit subscribe, the notification bell, and show that like button some love as well. With the concession stand cleaning, I'm deep cleaning it right now, so I'm going to wipe down all of the machines, the inside, the outside, inside microwaves, refrigerators, all of that. It is getting a good deep clean. That way, when I come back, I won't have to deep clean everything. And I literally did the baseboards in the creeps and corners, and there were spiders and bugs, and it was like 85 degrees outside. So there was some parts of the video I had to cut out because my shirt ended up getting soaking wet. So the stainless steel was a little bit rough to clean, but you know I had to come out with my magic concoction and hook it up. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I have a magic concoction that's a cleaner and it works wonders. I will leave the video to that below in the description box so that you can check it out if you want to. Let me know below in the comments how you're doing. I hope you've been saying your affirmations. I hope you've been loving on yourself because you need to realize how important you are and how worthy you are. And guess what? You are also loved. So regardless if there's something going on in your life, I declare that you are going to get through that and that you are going to let that anxiety and those toxic people go. You're going to move on. You're going to shine. You're going to smile because that's how we do it over here in these streets. Okay. In these Kim at Home streets. A lot of times when people are down, they don't realize that speaking life into themselves will work. That is why I say affirmations, because ain't nobody gonna be my cheerleader but me. You know what I'm saying? And it's great to have cheerleaders, but at the end of the day, if you don't know how to love and respect yourself and honor yourself, you're just gonna be out here in these streets acting crazy and being toxic. So the goal is for all of us to go through this healing process because we all need healing. Let's be real, because anytime someone says something mean about you, but 5 other people say something nice, you always dwell on that mean comment, right? We can't do that no more. Because that's their problem that they feel that way about you. It's not your problem. And it's really none of your business how they feel about you, you know? There's no need for you talking, calling the highest sky. I ain't got the urge to leave. Come stay a little while. I've grown tired of wasting others. Now I know it's super loud in here, but I don't typically like Barkeeper's Friend, not in my house, but I will use it for commercial cleaning. Be sure that you shake it up because it is a little bit runny. I'm just gonna allow that to sit. I'm editing this video cracking up because I'm like, my elbows are all up in the camera. Thank God I use lotion and like to moisturize. Rocks on the solid bottom, calling the white lines. No one wins this. For the areas that I clean with Barkeeper's Friend, I have no idea exactly what is stuck on this at all whatsoever because it really didn't do any justice. It took up a little bit, but not really. So what I ended up doing is just putting vinegar by itself on there and it came right up. Vinegar, I have been wanting a sponsorship from you forever. Can you hook a sister up, like for real? I'm going to spot clean this sink first with Dawn, which is what I'm doing right now. Dawn dish soap and hot water, and then I'm going to use my concoction to get it together. And when I tell you guys, I cannot wait for you to see the end of this video because this place, oh my gosh, it looked like a brand new place. You know what I'm saying? It was just really clean and shiny, and I got a lot of compliments too. And as far as the compliments, I really don't need them because again, I know my worth. Whereas if you would have caught me 5 years ago, I would have needed lots of compliments, okay? But honestly, it does feel good to, be told that you're doing a good job regardless, because at the end of the day, cleaners that are good are really, really hard to come by. So let's have a really quick story time. You might think it's funny. I didn't think it was funny in the moment, but I was doing the post-construction cleaning. If you've been here for a while, you know that a few months ago, I would, upload those types of videos. At any rate, I'm minding my own business and somebody comes in and I hear them say my name and I'm thinking like, who knows me? You know what I'm saying? And so I peeked out the window and I saw a lady, and then I saw an elderly lady and she had like a hunchback and also she had a cane. And then I heard a gentleman, I didn't see him. So the girl says, oh, I'm going to be renting this place out, so I'm here to see it. And I was thinking to myself like, girl, this is a construction zone. Like it's not safe for you. But anyway, I didn't go there. I was just like, okay, I'm just trying to get this dust up for you. And I was like giggling, right? So I go back in the room and the man comes around the corner and says to his daughter, she was his daughter, wow, this is really nice. You got a screened in porch, a patio, and you even have a maid to clean your bathroom. There's nothing wrong with being a maid, nothing at all, but I'm not a maid, number one. I'm a professional businesswoman, and yeah, you will not be talking to me like that. You guys, it was not a good situation. I was so angry because I could not believe he had the audacity to say that. You will have to let me know below in the comments what you think about this story and maybe how would you have handled it, because I didn't even tell you guys how I handled it. So just let me know below in the comments. I'm gonna leave you in suspense, okay? Let me just tell you that this is the third sweep that I have done in here. I did one when I first got there because I don't like walking on crumbs and stuff like that. And then I did one in the middle because there was stuff blowing in from outside, and now I'm doing it all again. This has to be thoroughly clean. This is what they pay me for. You know what I mean? So I want to make sure that I take care of their place like I would take care of my own place. Biblically, if you are faithful over a few things, God will definitely make you ruler over many. And it doesn't necessarily have to be your home that you're faithful to. It's just like broad. Never put God in a box, because he is more than anything that we could ever imagine or think, and does more for us than we can imagine or think. I ended up mopping the entire concession stand twice. And then I was thinking to myself, the more this gets mopped, the better it's going to look, because it's concrete, you know? So I was calculating like how many times I should mop it before it starts to look good. So I figure the next 2 times that I go in to clean, it's probably going to look extremely brand new on the floors, just because they're constantly being mopped. Whereas before, they hadn't been mopped in a month of Sundays, you know? Here's what everything looks like as far as everything being cleaned off. Nothing was organized. The president of the PTA is going to come in and do the organization part. I was just there to get it clean, looking fresh and sparkly and smelling really good, because you don't want no dirty food, okay? Like, I'm thinking to myself, who bought food from here? Because it really was gross. But we all know that everyone's version of clean is different. I know you remember what this sink looked like. It looks so much better right now. And don't forget about the other sink. It looks amazing too. In this little corner over here, all I did was sweep and I wiped down the machines, just because it's very crowded and those tall stands are not even supposed to be in there. It's finally the weekend. I'm so excited. We are actually about to take a road trip. My husband plays softball, so we have to go out of town for the state national game. I'm excited. We had a great time. This is how he takes care of his bats. And let me tell you, homeboy spends a lot of money on bats and shoes. I guess everyone has a vice, right? That moment when your husband is stuck in the car. I am so glad that you are here. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you. And just so you know, I want to be a storm chaser when I grow up. So please leave a tornado emoji in the comments below. Like, for real, that would totally make my day. I keep telling you, it's the little things and the joy they bring. The wind did this to my flowers. Look at my flowers, they look sad, don't they? That was from last night, that storm that I showed you guys. It knocked out my flower bushes, 3 of them.